Hey everybody, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. Shiba Inu is moving up. Find out why in this video. There's a few different reasons that we're going to go over in this video as to why Shiba Inu has gone up, especially since late last night where I sent out a buy alert to all my insiders when it was at that 0.068 level. This is the time to get in because we knew it would bounce right back off those. And before we get into this video, again, a few reasons why Shiba Inu is going up, what we're going to expect here in the coming week or so, really the next couple weeks. We're going to get into that in this video. Real quick, I just want to point your attention right below my camera box. There's a join button now. You can become a member now on the YouTube channel. $4.99 a month or $9.99 a month, $4.99 and $10, $9.99 a month. Really, it's going to prioritize comments. So I'm going to see your comments first and foremost. There's some other perks in there as well as some new emojis you could use, things like that. So if you want to become a member, check that out. There's a little video there. When you hit the join button, you'll see that pop up, and I tell you a little bit more about what to expect if you decide to become a member. All right. So also, SHIB buyers are stepping in, and really this could be, I think, two different types of investors here. I think both different investors are stepping in. Right, and the two different types, we've got the whales, we've got the institutions stepping in, and yes, they do buy altcoins, they don't buy just Bitcoin, but also the retail investors, the big SHIB holders. Shout out to Farshad, maybe it's you out there, one of the future top 10 holders of SHIB. He's been somebody who's popped into our live stream before, and yes, SHIB buyers have definitely stepped in, and we're going to get into the reasons why in this video. So glad that you came back to the channel. Again, not for anything but edutainment, right? Or informational purposes only, entertainment purposes only here, not a financial advisor. And real quick, if you want to join the private community, we do have the Patreon. I'll link this down in the description. Go check it out. We've got the supporter level, insider level. This is behind the scenes things that we're talking about, whether it's buy alerts, different altcoins we're looking at. We'd love to have you come and join us over there and get that insider access. Okay, we'll take a look at the SHIB chart right now. And you'll take a look at these bars way down here. This was late last night, okay? These 6-8 levels, okay? It was about 681, so right there, I've got the cursor on it. I sent out alert late last night, and I don't know if this is the exact time frame here, but late last night I sent out the alert. Hey, I'm buying more SHIB. This is a great opportunity down at this 6-8 level, and I know a lot of people took that advice and they bought back in, which I think obviously was a good decision now that we see that we're back up over the 07 level. We touched the 075 level and have since kind of come back down a little bit, but we've got a green candlestick working, as we can see here. And we'll take this into the 1-minute chart here, and there we go. Now we can really see what's going on here in the price action here today. We've kind of did a nice little dip down, and here comes the big whales again coming back in. And I think we're going to start to slowly see this price rise. And here we can see it. If we take it way out, this is where we were down at the 7.1 level here not too long ago. Look at that nice spike up all the way to the 7.55 level. We actually touched the 7.57. Let's see here. Actually, no, it says 7.55 is the 24-hour high. And again, some green candlesticks working here. I love to see this, and I think this is on the heels of some big news for SHIB, right? We've got a number of catalysts, but I think there's another reason, kind of a more macro reason, as to why we're seeing SHIB up as well as Bitcoin turning back green today. So hedge funds see the crypto market decline as an investment opportunity. So from rebalancing cash positions, I want to highlight this because this is important. From rebalancing cash positions to announcing new investment products, hedge funds seem undeterred by the current crypto market decline. Crypto market capitalization is down more than 40% since its 2.5 trillion high back in early May. However, institutional investors continue to pile into the market, and despite Bitcoin losing over half of its value, half of its United States dollar value, and altcoins taking almost 70% on average, big money players like hedge funds are still taking up digital currency investment positions, and they're buying those dips. They're buying, 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 and I love it because this market will turn around. And the fact that institutional money is coming into crypto is a big deal. And we also have something in the background, right? That July 28th deadline that was set by Senator Warren. We'll have to see if that holds true, what happens if something actually takes place. That is 2 weeks from today. Okay, so we've got a lot of things more macro on the horizon for crypto. Of course, the mining situation still getting figured out with Bitcoin. Why do we talk about Bitcoin? Well, as you know, it affects and impacts the entire market. Now, from a direct exposure to crypto to banking or to backing firms developing products and services in the digital asset space, institutional investors are building a more significant presence in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space. What else do we have upcoming? Before the 28th deadline, we've got the 21st, so a week from today. We've got the B-Word event. Created a video about it. Not a lot of people are talking about it. It's an entire event for Bitcoin, and the whole premise of this Bitcoin event, which is headed up by the likes of Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey, Cathie Wood, the whole premise of this is to get institutions more interested in Bitcoin. And oh yeah, we've got a rumor swirling that Apple potentially has bought $2.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. There's a lot of things here happening all at once. Oh, we've got the SEC lawsuit with XRP. What's going on with that? I think this is setting up for a major bull run come August. Okay? Again, I don't have a crystal ball here. I could be wrong. But I think this major bull run is going to impact the price of Bitcoin, which then has that trickle-down effect. And I think you're going to see assets like Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, all of these ancillary assets, right? People have been holding or buying the dips, I think are going to get rewarded come later this summer into this fall. And oh yeah, we've got Cardano with smart contracts rolling out around that same time. I mean, there are so many things on the horizon for cryptocurrency and altcoins, including Shiba Inu. And I think this is where the patient investor always wins. There's been a lot of uncertainty over the past month or so, and a lot of people have panic sold. For those of you who've held on to your assets and even bought dips like last night, I think you're going to be rewarded. Okay, and I'm one of those people too, so we're going to be there together. And one other big catalyst why we're seeing SHIB's price move up, look at that total value locked number, $1.70 billion now locked up into Shibaswap. The site has been running really slow. I think a lot of whales now are locking it up in the TVL, and I think that's why we're seeing those big green candlesticks that we saw early this morning. Look at that price action, boom, coming off those lows. Okay, and actually this is the 1 minute chart, so really we've got to take it back way down in here. Again, this is the 1 minute chart. Here he is, 6-7 levels down here, boom. Here was the big pop-up that we've seen over the past 12 hours or so. I think you're seeing a lot of big money lock it up in the swap. Institutional money and whales, I think they're getting ready for the next bull run. I'd love to get your comments down below, and how do you like my bald head? I know I get a lot of comments about this. Let me know what you think about the bald look down below. And give this video a thumbs up if you get some value. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I'll see you in the next video.